Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making apple crumble muffins, and I'm making these because last week I made Willow some apple cupcakes. My mom keeps calling them muffins, and so they not tasted. I didn't taste them. My mom tasted both of them, but I don't want to taste dog food, edible food, whatever. They smelled pretty good, and so I thought I wanted to do something apple related, and I already had an apple from before. I just went to the store and bought a couple other ones, and so yeah, this one is not for you, Willow. This one's for me, but she still has some left anyway. So the first thing I'm going to mix together is my wet ingredients, and so I'm going to add my milk. My oil, my 1 egg, and then I'll add my vanilla extract. But yeah, this one has like a crumble on top, which I think will make it really nice and make it have like some nice texture. And then I'm just going to whisk together my wet ingredients first. There we go. I'm just trying to make sure the egg is all broken up. There we go. And now I'm going to set this aside over here and put all of these dishes away. And then in this other bigger bowl, I am going to mix my dry ingredients. I already have my flour in here. And then my baking powder. My sugar. And then just a little bit of salt I put in there. But yeah, I don't remember the last time I had muffins. I haven't had them in like a pretty long time. And then I don't even know if I've ever made any. I definitely haven't made any for a video, but I'm excited to try these out. Just gonna combine these together, just that, and then I'm gonna start mixing in my wet ingredients. I'm gonna pour my wet mixture into my dry. Just gonna pour it all in at once. Like that. There we go. And technically you are supposed to like peel and chop the apples before you mix both of these together, but I don't want my apples to start turning brown. So I wanted to wait until I had this mixed. Start shredding my apples. I'm actually not going to chop them. I'm just going to use the shredder like I did last time. There we go. Then I'll set this aside while I start peeling and shredding my apples. So I used my shredder again just like last time, and I shredded up 2 apples. This time I peeled them because obviously Willow doesn't care about having the skin on. And this is actually quite a lot of apple, so I'm just going to do like a little bit at a time. You can already see it's like, oh no, I just saw a seed. Oh, there we go. I just thought it would be easier to have, first of all, it took me like 2 seconds to shred this, so it would have taken me a pretty long time to cut all the apple up, but also I don't really want chunks in my muffins. Okay, we'll see if I use the whole thing. I might not. I can always leave some for Willow. She's been needing some fiber. Oh, there's some apple juice at the bottom. Maybe to, I don't know, give some moisture. I'll just put the rest. Go. Just kind of folding it in, and then once I get these in my liners and everything, I have them already here, and I just bought these little Valentine's Day liners today, and I thought those were cute because they have a little bit of neutral colors, because I don't really make like cupcakes or muffins a lot, so I thought those would be cute to have. But yeah, I think that's pretty good, and now I'm gonna start scooping my muffin mix into my liners, and I'm just using a ice cream scooper. This will be good. And then this one got a little wet because I accidentally looked some apple in there. But yeah, one scoop should be good per thing. Hoping the scoop isn't too big. There we go. So this made pretty perfect amount of mixture, filled all 12 liners. Some of them have a little bit more. Oh, I'm not gonna bother trying to scoop that out to even it out. And I'm just kind of flattening it down because I have to put the crumble on before I bake it. These ones will just have a little bit more. So now I'm going to start making my crumble. So here I have the ingredients for my crumble. I have my cold butter in here, brown sugar, flour, and some cinnamon. So pretty much I'm just dumping all the ingredients in, and then I'm going to crumble it up with my fingers. This is what my crumble looks like, and it looks pretty good. And so now I'm just gonna use a spoon to put some on top here. Probably grab a little less and kind of do it more like this, so I don't make as much of a mess there. Let me move it away from the edge. I feel like I'm gonna drop some for Willow. I'm just putting a little bit now, and then I can always add more to kind of even it out. And then this one I can move. I'm just trying to kind of get around the edges, so I can use as much as I can. It's okay. It's kind of making a mess. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna dump the teeny rest that's left. Now I'm ready to put these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So here's what the muffins look like, and they're all nice and cooled down. And so I'm going to take the wrapper off of this one. It smells really good. I can smell the apple nicely. It's kind of coming off the wrapper a little bit. It's kind of sticking, but let me just cut a piece off from there. Crumble's kind of getting all over me. And because it's kind of messy, I'm just going to cut it open like this. It's very nice on the inside. Like that. No, I'm going to taste it. And it tastes really good, and the crumble on top gives it like a nice, like a tiny bit of a crunchy kind of flavor, and a little bit more sugar. And then I'm just gonna, let me taste this piece here without the crumble. Oh yeah, now I can taste a little bit more of the apple. But yeah, I'm glad I put the whole 2 apples inside, because I definitely think if I didn't put both in, I wouldn't have gotten all of the apple flavor. But yeah, these taste really good, and they're really, really nice and moist on the inside here. See how it's nice and crumbly. It is a little messy, so it isn't like, you know, a nice little thing you can just like take a bite out of, but you know, it's a muffin. It's supposed to be, you know, nice and crumbly and buttery. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.